Miss Penny. Come on, Miss Penny. Little Miss Thundergirl's ready to go. Come on, Penny. You want to come out here and eat too? Come on. It's always such an adventure with you, isn't it? You would swear that I am just the meanest man in the world. Go eat. And how are my beautiful girls? Yes, and boy, he is a pretty boy. He thinks he's just so macho. And he is. He's a very macho man. So pretty, so long. And these guys are eating hay. They ate up a bunch of pellets almost immediately. This is Bam Bam reaching for everything. Doesn't particularly care. As long as he gets what he wants. I wish you little girls would come over and talk to me too. Oh no. Oh no, terrible stuff. Terrible stuff for little goats. There's Zoe. Miss Zoe's doing good. Gladys is doing good. What are you doing, Miss Thundergirl? Oh, you gotta hurry up and see if anybody got anything else. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Yeah, you guys are always so cute. Kind of raining. I gave them some hay outside. These guys had some hay outside, but most everybody ran inside except the more dedicated eaters, or they're not sensitive to rain. But these two are busy eating. Yeah, you just keep right on eating there. That's good for you guys. Yes, you guys gotta grow up and be big goats. Great big goats. My little buddies. Come here, Thundergirl. No! No, no, no. There you go. Good girl. She's always curious. I don't want her to get stuck under the door. Yeah. Penny knows what's the right stuff to do. Let's go back to eating. That's not nice, Thundergirl. Oh, you're a pill. You're a spoiled little goat. Yes, you are. You're terribly spoiled. Pushed by your friend like that. You could just walk right around. You don't have to be first. There's two feeders, and they both have the same stuff in them. In fact, Oh no. You guys are going to go check something out? Where's she going, Penny? Is she missing the right stuff? Is she? I don't know what she's got on her little brain. I'm guessing it's not good. No, I'm guessing it's not good. Oh, you guys are so cute. What do you think there, Mr. Minty? Are you having a good time? The Minty Man? You're one of his babies. Yes, you are. That's one of your little kids. See, he looks like you. Yeah. Well, come on. You could come over and talk to me. Look, at Bam Bam's not afraid of me. Are you, Bam Bam? No. You wag your tail at me. Betty's not afraid of me. Although Betty's busy eating, and so is Blondie. And you guys got lots of hay to eat. Yes. You can reach the hay, can't you? Yes, you can. There you go. Wilma's getting it. Yeah, she's a good little goat. Yes, Merced is doing very good. She's a good little goat. Yeah, sweet little goats. Kind of hard to see in the end pen. But I know that the Zoe and Xander are doing good. And their mom is doing good. I guess that's all that really matters, is that everybody's doing good. I'll go and take pictures of them. I should go in and sit with them. Zoe, I would love to make Zoe my friend. I think Xander's already my friend, but this Zoe needs some encouragement. Oh, no. What are we doing up there, little girl? Are you going to make a mess for me? You don't need to be up there. No, you don't. No, you don't, little girl. Oh, no, I might miss something. Oh, you're so cute. Miss Penny, do you feel like playing? Do you want to play, little girl? You're a sweet little girl. And so are you, Miss Thundergirl. Yes. I think it's time to say thanks for watching. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Because I see little goats all over. Little goats who love to play and have fun. Yeah, you got lots of grain to eat. You got a fresh bucket of water. You gonna come let me talk to you? You come talk to me? No? Come here, you little fart. You are a little fart. Yes, you are. You go eat your grain then. I want to thanks everybody for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Click the like button if you like this video. Click the little bell to get reminders of when I post my videos. And share with friends who like little goats and other little animals. And I will talk with you guys tomorrow. Take care.